everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me for another video. I've received today in the post this box, so I thought I would jump on and share it with you as quickly as I could because I'm really excited to get stuck into it. It is my monthly box from Little Thoughts store. This is the third one of these that I've ordered. The last two have been absolutely beautiful, and I have used loads of stuff out of them, and because of that I thought I would buy another one, and what better way to share my excitement than with all of you and giving you a bit of an insight as to what's actually in the boxes, in case you wanted to order them yourself. This month is the October box, and it is the theme of self-care. Something that's really close to my heart and really important in my life is self-care. It means different things for different people, but I just think that it's really important that we do focus on those sorts of things. And I did have a quick peek because I suspected that's what this parcel was. And I had a quick peek inside, where if you were one of the first 20 boxes ordered, you got an extra freebie bag from the Body Shop, which I appear to have got. So that's really exciting. I don't know what's in here, and we'll open it together. But that's just like a little bonus thing on top of what would normally come in the box. So yeah, really excited. Just take this out of the box so we can get stuck in and start looking through everything together. So I'm actually going to start with this little sample pack from the Body Shop. Now, as far as I know, one of the PR girls is actually a Body Shop consultant, and that's the reason this was included as a little bonus gift. I don't know if the first 20 boxes have sold, so I don't know if you can still get this gift, but I just think it's wonderful just that they've been that thoughtful. There's a lot of all paper. Like, you could probably make a little shaker out of these, actually, like a little shaker dashboard or something, inside this bag, which is really cute. And then in here there's a little Love Hearts packet of sweets there. There is hard working hand protection cream. Oh, that's good for me actually, because I do have very dry hands. And then there's a little moisturising cream and drops of youth. Brilliant, if only that were true. Can we turn back time with this? That'd be lovely. So what I'll do is I'll link Zoe Michelle's beauty Facebook group in the description so that you can go and check it out if you wanted to. And then I will of course link Little Thoughts store as well if you wanted to get hold of this box. So that's just a little bonus freebie that I don't know if you can still get. But now for the main event. So one thing I love about the Little Thoughts store boxes is the tissue paper they come in is just so pretty because it's got all these little hollow circles all over it. The last month was Halloween themed, so it went really well with that. This month is self-care. I'm not expecting this to be quite as much like things that I would love, because I saw a lot of leopard print and I'm not really a leopard print sort of girl. But I thought I'd get it anyway, and then if there are bits I'm not going to use, then I'll gift them or something like that. Oh, this looks like another one. So if you watch my video from last month's box, there was a little notebook from Sparkles and Charms. It's like a little traveller's notebook. And there's another one in here, so that's lovely. I sort of see there's similarities in like the branding, so I wonder if Jodie's had something to do with this. Not that that matters, it's all gorgeous either way. So this is, I guess, like a little bedside table, and it's got like leopard print and then like stones and stuff on the inside, which is pretty cool. And these books, they're so thick. I feel like one of these would last me well more than a month. And they are hand stitched, which is beautiful. I like the imagery on the front of it, actually, considering it's kind of only a nod to leopard print. It's not like really in your face, I'm leopard print, so I quite like that. I'm definitely going to use that. That can go in my little pile. At some point I'll get round to using these and I'll show you them. But I've got an awful lot of notebooks. As with every planner stationery girl, I've got a lot of notebooks to get through and to use. I'm sure you can probably relate to me, but it will go in the pile, it will sit with the other books, and eventually at some stage in my life it will get used. So, oh my goodness, there's loads in here. So this is on top of this, and of course the little Body Shop thing as well. There's just so much in here. So these boxes are £20, which isn't a lot of money for the amount of stuff that you get. And the other thing I like about this one is, I say it every time I do an unboxing, is that you don't have to have every single box. So I could have chosen to miss this box because I'm not a big fan of leopard print stuff. But I also am a big sucker for fear of missing out. So naturally I saw it go on sale, I wanted the Body Shop freebie, so I jumped on and ordered it straight away. So this is just a vellum, like leopard vellum. It's actually kind of cool. Like my husband's favourite animal is a leopard, so I always see it and think of him, even though like obviously he's not going to wear leopard print and like I'm not really a huge fan of it, but it is still really pretty, and it's nice that it makes me think of him. So maybe I will use it. Maybe I'll surprise myself with this kit. I don't really know where to go next because you never know what's actually inside all of the bags. And what I'm going to do is go big to small, I think, this time round. Oh, this is like the washi strips. Look at those. How cute are those? Do you know? And it's not in your face leopard because there's a little leopard one there. And actually the rest of it's like flowers and kind of neutral in colour. So it's really quite, it's like calming. It's really strange. And I love the dotty foil on it. And then this one. These paper bags are so thick. They will be great for junk journals. And then this one is just all of the like deco bits for this sheet. They're like little hair slides. That's really cool. Then some hand cream. There's like foot spa. Like, it's nice. I like it. It's not my usual colours either. Like, I'm not really a neutral kind of person. I'm more like characters, bright colours in your face. And actually it's quite nice to see something a little bit more chilled out. I'm not sure I'm going to use it this season because I've got quite a lot of kits already, but it'll go in my stash, and at some stage you will see it come out, I am sure, or see it featured in, you know, a photo on my Instagram or something. Oh, that's cute. I'm going to make you so proud, note to self. Oh, I really like that. I'm staring at it because I'm really surprised how much I actually really like this. Now I know Jodie, who owns Little Thought Store, has also got a new shop called Minimal Thinking, which actually I've just spotted this. So I wonder if this is a sample from Minimal Thinking. I haven't ordered anything from there yet, and I've told Jodie to stop making things that I love. So I stopped spending money, but I have a feeling that that's what this is. Yeah, so here we go. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll leave this till last, so that we can have a look at the rest of Little Thought Store box, and then this will also talk a little bit about her new shop. So let's do that. So I'm going to put that bag there and just leave that to one side. And then I've missed the sticker kit entirely, haven't I? Which is, you know, the main reason you buy this box is for the sticker kit, because the other bits are all just bonus stuff. But the sticker kit is the main reason. And I love that you get all the little bits and pieces with it as well. Self-care is how you take your power back. I really like that. I love the dotty foil that she does. It's just so gorgeous. I really like that quote sticker. I think it goes really well with that journal card as well. I think I'm going to have to get a bit creative about what I'm going to do with these, because I really love this kit. The more I look at it, the more I'm falling in love with it. So there's like a girl sitting in a bath here. I'm hoping that the light's not reflecting too much. So she's like sitting in a bath here, and there's like candles and things. And what the building work that's been going on in my house for the last couple of weeks is having a new bathroom installed that includes a bathtub. We have been without a bathtub since February because we had a wet room on the house that we moved into. So one of the things that's really important in like my self-care is having a bath that I haven't been able to do for so long. And this is like really resonating with me, that I'm so excited that I'm going to get to do that. So this came at the right time. So with the kit, you get 8 box stickers. There's like some page flag type, I don't know, little boxes down the bottom. there's your checklist there, and then on the other side, because you do get a separate sheet, I love these colours. I think these are gorgeous. So you get quarter boxes and half boxes, some bills and some habit trackers. This in particular is really cool. This kind of like, I don't know, like latte colour. I really, really love it. Considering how I felt when I first saw this, I was like, I'm not sure if I'll use this. I feel like the rest of this, I definitely will. Now I've seen it all together, it really works. Maybe that's the key. Maybe open the clear sticker sheets first before you open the rest of it, because how can you not love this? Yeah, so going back to the journal card. Anyway, so there's another bit in here. I don't know what's in this one. I don't know. No, we haven't done this one yet. This looks like it's our little dies. Sorry, I haven't moved the tissue paper out from underneath, have I? I hope you can see it on a black background. Bit different for me. It's a girl taking like a picture of a necklace in a mirror. It's a little hair slides, the little foot spa one. It's cute. Some little, like, I guess it's about like dressing and making yourself feel good by the way you're dressed, and that showing that you look after yourself. There's all sorts in here. There's tons and tons as usual. All these die cuts. There's some flowers there. They are quite muted and neutral in tone, which is nice. It's actually really different to see, at least for me anyway, because I am, you know, the bright person. Going, what is that? That is a pile of towels or blankets or something I want to jump on. Like, it looks lovely. There's all sorts in here. Some hand cream. Well, that's like a little checklist type one. That's really cute. And then some more head slides. Some other bits and pieces. I'm not particularly girly, so like stuff like this, I'm like, what's that for? I'm sure someone will tell me. There's a nice scarf there. It's very different to the last two kits I've had. Just because it's more muted, I think, and more like neutral. I think my favourite thing is still that journal card, because I think that is lovely, and that's definitely going in my planner somewhere. I have a wellness planner that I use, but it's just like a hardbound happy planner one. And next year I haven't seen them do them, so I've got a disc bound happy planner one for next year. So I reckon that's where this is going to end up, in my wellness planner for 2021, along with all the other bits and pieces, of course. So I'm just going to move those out of the way. So the other thing that you get is minimal thinking. This Little Thought Store has branched out into minimal thinking as well, and she basically, as far as I understand, makes these things for her own planners and uses them a lot, and off the back of that has decided to open another shop doing this sort of thing. So they look like they're little like journal cards. Oh, I've seen this one before, so that really confused me then. So the bottom one says hustle, and then the next one says expect nothing, appreciate everything. I really like that. And then this one I think is really clever. So it's perspective, and you naturally want to turn it up that way to read it. But I saw Jodie do this in one of her groups, or on one of her posts, and she was like, it's meant to be that way up because you're seeing something from a different perspective. So a little bit clever there. Yeah, so that's like a little sample from Minimal Thinking as well, which is really nice. So that's it. Sorry I've been a bit rambly and all over the place. It's late. I did not sleep well the last couple of nights, but I thought I would jump on and show you this so that I could enjoy it as well, rather than just leaving it sat in the box for about 3 days until I can actually open it. Definitely my favourite thing in there. But you get all kinds of bits and pieces inside this box. Just put it back out so you can see it all. Yeah, really pretty. Important kit as well. I think it is important for all of us, particularly if you are someone in this community that does struggle with this kind of thing and taking time to look after yourself, nice reminder there just to calm down and make sure that you're doing the things to show yourself that you're important and that you're valued. Getting a little emotional now. I'm blaming the tiredness. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again next time. Take care.